Welcome back to Unleashing Your Potential. If at all you're just joining in today, we are on the series of money and mindset. Today we are talking about saving with intention. Saving sounds simple until real life happens. Saving isn't about leftover money. It's about decision making. It's choosing tomorrow while you're living today. Even small amounts matters because they build consistency. You may tell me that I cannot save because I'm earning this less, or my job is not paying me well, or I'm just even seated at home. But I've seen people, even though you may be a housewife, some have businesses, some have been able to save from grocery money. And I've seen people who are working, but the job is not even paying that much. But this person has to pay tuition for the children. She has to juggle so much. But I've seen her saving her money and investing her money. She's someone you can give anything and she can turn it into gold. So saving, it's a habit one learns. For some people, they've been lucky to learn it from their parents. But if you haven't, you can still save by investing in yourself to get knowledge, to get material about financial managing or management. Saving teaches us to be patient, to be self-disciplined. It teaches self-trust. At times we say, I wish I can get this amount of money, maybe millions of money, in whichever currency. But the truth is, I think you can make it yourself by putting small amount aside. At times you may have maybe a certain amount of money you're making and you don't know how to go about it. What if you talk to someone who has done it better and they help you out? And if I'm to look at this in the family angle, when children see us save, they learn planning without even being taught. Saving, it's a habit and it's a culture one picks up. In the long run, it's worth it. As I finish, what does saving look like in your season of life? Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.